It's very nice here. Next up on the picnic, Scotch egg. Oh yeah, that's the book I'm reading. If you're interested, very good book. Well, very interesting book. I think one of the best things in the world is lying down on the grass with the sun. That's one of the simplest things.
I agree with you.
My word, these Scotch eggs are massive. What the heck? It's like the size of my fist. I've never understood a Scotch egg. So nice. Boat. My pasty legs.
I know for once I'm nearly browner than you.
Hey ladybug, go away please.
Shoo her off then.
Oh, she just fell.
She's okay.
Ah, just goes to show. Just goes to show how fast a road bike is, isn't it, when it's freewheeling compared to a folding bike.
Honestly, I paddled and nothing happened.
So my first climb outside. Oh, it feels weird. Out of the saddle, I feel seasick. It's very strange. So I see what people mean now when they say that the stigma that's attached to people that only ride on Zwift means that they can be a little bit dangerous in a bunch. I kind of get that now. It's all kind of coming back to me very slowly, but I've definitely lost that kind of coordination and you know, how the bike feels under you. I can imagine that's not very safe. That's not a very safe feeling to have when you're in a bunch race. Thank you. Kept him longer than usual. Whoop. So this is called Bynea Road, typical Welsh name. It's literally only 6k from the house in Cardiff, but it's a lane for the most part. It's got some houses on it, but it's pretty quiet, and I've been told it gets steep at the top, but I think we have some nice views, and it's like a shortcut to the top of Caerphilly Mountain. Let's get to the top first. This is absolutely stunning up here. Never been up here before, and what a day to come up. So I've noticed a few things already, like obviously that's the first climb I've done outdoors in 8, 9, 10 weeks almost. Some big differences I noticed straight away. One of them is when I'm out the saddle, obviously it doesn't feel natural, it doesn't feel stable, which is, I think, kind of all knew that would be the case, but then I feel extremely fit, and I know I haven't given it any beans at all, but I feel extremely fit. The one thing that's kind of holding me back, and some of you will know, I like to climb when I'm not on the rivet. When I'm not on the rivet, I like to climb out the saddle a lot. And when I'm out the saddle right now, my arms feel very weak, like very, very weak. Like to the point where I've literally just been going uphill for, I don't know, 3 or 4 minutes out the saddle, and my delts, my shoulders, are completely smoked already, and that's not good. But you know, that muscle memory will come back quick, so I've been told. So you know, that'll come back within a couple of days, hopefully. I don't think she's here yet. Not bad. 1 hour. I feel like that should be my slogan for my hill climbing.
He's a nice man. He's from Turkey originally, and his wife is a sister up at the Heath. Yeah.
His life story.
This is me you're talking to. Yeah. And he's hoping, he's keeping afloat just about.
Cool.
So he's
call you more often.
Well, he's hoping to. Well, that's what I said. We're trying to do our bit for local places. Which is nearly sold out. That's how.
The first day reopening today.
Yeah, because she's been she's been off. She had a hip replaced at the start of, in the middle of February. So the shop's been shut, and then obviously COVID-19 happened. But she
What's that one?
lemon meringue. She literally reopened.
So I know, like, you know, I'm back riding outside, I suppose you could say, today and yesterday, 2 days in a row. Hey, but I'm still gonna do the majority of my riding indoors, just because, like, you know, there's still no real reason for me personally at the minute. It might be different for you guys. You might be, you know, making the most of this opportunity, but for me, I'm in a place at the minute where, like, I don't really have to go crazy outside and do like long rides inside. I can't really either, because at the minute we're in Cardiff city centre, and it's a right ball lake wherever you go to get any kind of decent riding in, from what I've experienced. So I'm still going to be doing the majority of my stuff inside, which means the live streams will still be there, and I'm still going to have a bit of fun by racing and doing things that evidently haven't made much of a difference to my outside fitness, which is brilliant. I've probably kept you in the loop, but me and Charlie are house hunting, looking for somewhere to rent at the minute, back west, back in the Flatley area. So at the minute we're house hunting, and we found somewhere. We've got a lot of paperwork to do, so to bear with us on that, but as soon as I know everything's done and sorted, I will show you. And when we get back west, back to the rural area of Wales in the next couple of weeks, I'll be riding outside more then, because it's a lot less, like, coronavirus is a lot less kind of prevalent down that way.
Like obviously it's still important, but it's just not as busy obviously as a city, and hopefully we'll still be able to get a little pain cave set up. So post Zwift effort evening meal, chicken breast salad, lots of veggies and beetroot. Yum.
Brown rice.
Was there brown rice under there?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, so there is. Nice. Also got a smoothie, frozen fruit,
Banana.
some Greek yogurt, banana, nice and cold. I've also got more liquid.